What's up everybody? Hope you're doing great. Minhoquinho here. Today we're gonna be looking at Santa Maria Berimbau rhythm. What's my Berimbau? Another name for this rhythm is Apanha Laranja no Chao Tico Tico. It's a tradition in Brazil. There will be a street roda. You would collect money from people watching the roda, and then you would put the bundle of money in the middle of the roda, and two capoeira players would try to play capoeira and not allow each other to grab the bag with money, okay? This used to be very big thing in Brazil, especially for capoeiristas, because that's how they could make a living. They would create a show and they would earn money this way. And this rhythm, Santa Maria, Apanha Laranja no Chao Tico Tico, was played for that game. I really recommend you learn it because it teaches you how to transition between sounds even better. You can improvise, you can add it to your basic capoeira rhythm. Parts of Santa Maria could be added, creating repikes. Let's do this. Santa Maria, baby. Okay, so the rhythm consists of 4 parts. Let's break those down first. Let's put everything together. It's quite simple, but try to play faster. It's a bit tricky. Okay, let's say you learn the bass and you want to have a little bit more fun. Okay, let's look into some improvisation techniques for this rhythm, okay? Let's start with the pause placement. Let me give you an example. No pause. Pause after first sound. And the doubles. Okay, let's move into cabasa placement ideas, and we're gonna use pause placement idea in the next example. For the cabasa placement, I'm gonna try to adjust, change every single bit of the rhythm slightly. The first one I'm gonna change the least. I'm just gonna start with the cabasa closed, and I'm gonna open it on the first sound, and that's it. The rest I'll keep the same. For the second part, I'll use 2 double notes, and I'm gonna place the first note with the cabasa closed. Third one, I'm gonna play the closed sound with the cabasa closed. Usually we play with open, right? And lastly, the same idea, but I'm gonna change the 4th note to open sound. If we put everything together, you're gonna get this. Lastly, the most common thing you can do is sound replacement. Let me give you an example. That's it. The ultimate goal is to put all the ideas together. So I have prepared an example. Give it a go or not, or create your own.
Fuck, this is not easy. This is not easy.